Hello, hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how to stake your BNB and earn 60% staking reward. Binance Coin. Binance Coin has been around for since April 2017 and Binance is one of the most used exchange and pretty much number one exchange when it comes to cryptocurrency. So if you have hold any Binance, you can stake your Binance and earn 60% staking reward annually. All right. So the minimum locked amount you need 10 Binance. If you want to stake Binance, you need at least 10 Binance coin, and the redemption period is 1 day. So for example, redemption period mean that once you stake, and if you think, oh, I need my, I don't want to stake anymore, I need my Binance coin back. So you unstake your Binance coin, and within 1 day, you will get your Binance coin back. So it will take at least 1 day for redemption period. And the staking is basically a Defi staking, which is under the category of flexible staking. So it's pretty much a great opportunity to stake Binance. Let's go how to stake your Binance. So log into your Binance exchange account. I highly recommend you to make an account with Binance using the link below. But if you have your account already, that's really good. All right. So at the moment, I don't have any BNB. So first, let's buy some BNB because in order to stake, we need at least 10 BNB. So BNB. All right. So going to trade, you can see pretty much Binance is available in many trading pair. So I have some USDT, so I will buy Binance coin using BNB. The better thing is to wait for the coins to become down because I think it will come around 25 USDT per Binance. But let's go, it's all right. So we need 10 BNB, all right. So you can see the 10 BNB at the recording of this video is 284 USDT worth. So now you can see the liquidity is really high, and as soon as I put an order, I have got my BNB. They have got a little bit free. Okay, gets a bit more BNB. So you can see that they have little bit fee. I didn't check at that time, so they cut little bit BNB for the fee. So at that time I have a less BNB. All right, so you can see the second trade has been also gone through, and now I have more than 10 BNB. Because first I buy 10 BNB and I got only 9.99 BNB because they cut little bit fee, and then I bought 0.5 BNB and now I have more than 10 BNB. So let's move how to stake your BNB. So in order to stake your BNB, you go into finance, go into staking, and here you have three options for staking: locked staking, flexible staking, and Defi staking. So you press Defi staking. So under Defi staking, you have four different type of cryptocurrency on the recording of this video, like BNB, BUSD, USDT, and DAI. I have already covered how to stake your Tether, so you can watch the video on the right hand side. The link is provided. And today we're going to cover BNB. So in order to stake BNB, you go here, stake, and here they have option type, what type of staking you want, flexible. So lock amount, how much? So let's go 10 BNB. Okay, and here you can see redemption period. They have mentioned 1 day. They have mentioned your annual paying yield is 60%. Okay, so make sure you guys read Binance staking service agreement. I have already read, so I just press this one, done, and you simply press confirm purchase. Here you can see the message subscription success. So once the subscription success comes, it means your coin is staking. But guys, here I want to tell you one thing. Sometime they make unstaking unavailable, like they make the area gray. It means they have already too much burden, so they're, but with time to time they keep opening. So once you have a gray area, you won't able to stake at that time. So come back probably 1 day or 2 day, keep an eye. They irregularly keep opening the areas for staking. All right, so if you don't have like this option, you probably have this, you need to wait probably 1 day or 2 day to stake your coin. All right, so if we go into our spot wallet now, before you can see I have 10.045 BNB, but only now I have 0.49 BNB because I have staked 10 BNB. So in order to see where you're staking BNB goes, you go into saving, where in the left side you go to saving, Defi staking, and under flexible staking. For Tether you go into lock staking, but BNB is under flexible staking. Saving, Defi staking, flexible staking. Here you can see I have my 10 BNB stake, all the information, like here you can redeem whenever you want. Here they will show you your interest, and if you see, oh, I don't want to stake anymore, you can redeem your Binance coin by pressing this, and whatever the reward here will be paid to you. That is pretty much regarding staking. So let's go into coin market cap to see when is the signal to buy BNB. So if we go into coin market cap, we can see Binance is BNB basically is top 7 cryptocurrency in terms of market cap, and its market is approximately over 4 billion. And at the recording of this video, the price is $28, and it's recently 6% up in last 24 hours. Let's check the Binance chart, because chart will provide you a good information regarding when you should buy, because if the thing has been up for 30 to 40% in the past month or so, it's better to wait it come down or correct it before you buy it. BNB is basically a utility token on Binance exchange, and most of you guys using Binance exchange, so it's better to have BNB because then the trading fee is approximately 60% less than what it actually is. So it was launched through an initial coin offering in 2017. Exchange went online. All right, so its all-time high was approximately $40 in June 2019, and its all-time low price is 9 cent, approximately 10 cent. Oh my gosh, so you can see the gains over 90x, so approximately 100x gain have been already done in the past, but now it's back to $28. But if we go into last 3 month chart, you can see it went from 15 on June 20, from $15 to almost now $28. So to 1x, so 1x plus 60% staking rewards, so it has a great potential. I recommend you to wait for a little bit before the price correct itself. I think around $25 is the best time to buy Binance, because at the moment it is a bit high and it will definitely come down around $25. But if you already have Binance in your account, don't wait and just take it. All right guys, leave your comment, suggestion, and what do you think, what will be the best price for Binance in the comment section, and please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys, have a lovely day, see you.